Alright, well, Alice has taken the cover off of the air filter.
Standard air filter.
Standard air filter. Let's see what it sounds like when we get a chance.
We've got the filter in it though.
Yeah.
Traffic, you're not doing video.
No.
Clear.
Clear, clear. Oh, that's a surprise.
I think the throttle response thing works. You watch me go use more fuel. That's about right now. Downhill as well, so.
See it picked up then?
What?
Sprint strobes too, just a little bit. Pause it for now until we get. And off we go again. Give it some space and then some tunnel music. That was nice. Boo boo boo.
So you're buying it?
Yeah. Done a little burger with it or something?
I'm alright, strawberry Nesquik. What?
What? Strawberry Nesquik. What's the other one? Strawberry Nesquik biscuits.
Strawberry Nesquik. Look at Shabby Luke. What are you having, strawberry shake? I ain't getting no food because I'm waiting. I just want drinks, yeah?
Yeah,
Strawberry shake or what? Come on, tell me.
large Coke. One strawberry Nesquik. And a large roller cola.
Roller cola.
Go on, give it one. Oof.